want to see the repair get done, stick with me on this video and we'll get to it. Hey guys, I just wanted to talk to you about something that's been a little bit of a frustration for me when it comes to Jackson guitars. Now, I'm a fan of Jackson guitars. I own a few of them. And this one here was a JS32 Dinky. And I only paid like $360 for it, $400 by the time it was taxed and all. I like it. It has a great neck. Everything, all the specs are great. I mean, it plays, you know, I did do a few things to it, adjustments, but it plays awesome. But they have a problem with the jack. As you can see, I got the jack out, and I'm going to be replacing the jack. And this is what I'm looking at. This is the piece that's going in. I got that one out, and the reason why Jackson guitars have a problem with the stock jacks. The stock jacks have a tendency to not tighten up, and I just can't stand it. Every one of my guitars, the jack has gotten loose except for my soloist. We're going to go ahead and change this out and solve this problem right now. I'm tired of it. So I got the solder iron out, and we are going to be replacing this jack and getting rid of this problem. So I'll see you in a little bit. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and cut these wires. I already know which one needs to go where. So I'm going to go ahead and cut these off. Okay, they are free. And grab a couple of, or a set of strippers here. I like using these Miller strippers. They're easier to strip wires with. Go ahead and get both these wires stripped out. Okay, wires are stripped. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we are going to put some flux. I don't have any liquid flux, so I'm going to, oops, that's a little much. Just going to get some flux on these wires, and you're probably wondering why. And that's because I want to tin the wires before I try and solder them. There we go. Okay, it tinned. So, with solder on those already, it doesn't take a whole lot now to get it to do what we need it to do. So first I'm going to go ahead and hook the black wire on. I'm going to take the needle nose and I'm going to flatten it out. Because I had tinned the wires, they won't fray now. They're solid. So all I have to do now is try and get some heat to transfer off this junk solder iron, and we have a connection. And now I'm going to hook the other wire, and notice I'm hooking them where the wire is on the inside instead of the outside. That's intentional. I don't know how big the cavity is inside there, so I just want the wires to be on the inside. So there we go. So now we'll heat this one. Got lots of, there we go. Because there was flux and solder, we have a connection. That easy. Put it back together and it'll work. Okay folks, so there it is, the finished product. Let's go try it and see if it works. Okay, so as you can see, it's the next day. The guitar is fixed, and I am going to just do a little demo on the guitar so you can hear how it sounds, and just add a little fun to the video. There you go. So it's playing just fine, and so now I can start having some fun with this guitar again. Like I said, this neck feels good. I just haven't been able to play this guitar because of that stupid jack, but it's fixed. So hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you on the next one. Take care.